Alright, make sure when you're lettering anything, make sure you clean the surface really well. Use some isopropyl alcohol. Just make sure the surface is nice and clean. I'm going to show you a different technique of lettering using the Hinge method. Basically, you're going to take some masking tape. You're going to put a center hinge on the graphic. It's got the underline mark and the center mark. Put 2 tabs of tape on either side of the graphic. Take the graphic, put it on the surface where you're going to letter it. Measure it, make sure it's straight. Put down the center tape, so there's a center hinge. Peel up the right side, peel off the backing paper. Rip it off, throw it away. Take your squeegee, starting from the center out. Squeegee out. Peel up the center and peel off the left tab. Fold it back to the center. Lift back the left half of the paper, squeegee it, starting from the center out, overlap strokes. Let it sit for a couple minutes, then re-squeegee it, go back over it. And you're going to peel off the tape. And the graphic's all set.